Well, it's been 4 years since the start of the pandemic, and a new study shows just how severely it impacted young people's mental health. New data shows an increase in severe emergency room psychiatric visits for children and teenagers. According to the CDC, nearly 60% of girls reported feeling sad or hopeless, compared to 30% that reported that were boys, and the U.S. Surgeon General says the pandemic had a devastating impact on children's mental health. So what can you do if your child is struggling? Experts say create a supportive environment for them. This includes things like spending time with them, doing some of their favorite activities together, acknowledging and respecting your child's feelings, and regularly asking them how they are doing. According to the CDC, mental health services in schools also plays a part in addressing the nation's mental health crisis. Unfortunately, many simply don't have the services to support students, especially in underserved communities. Hunter Bertram has details on one local community that's historically struggled to fulfill mental health needs.
89%. That's the percentage of students that are on financial assistance programs at Regal Elementary in the Hilliard neighborhood.
I've worked on this campus for a little over a decade, and so I've seen all the changes that have happened.
A neighborhood that has experienced change, but lacks change in establishing crucial services until now.
I think we've picked a great spot, and that's showing to be true.
For some, it's easy to drive to the South Hill or downtown when needing services. But when you don't have a car or a babysitter, that just can't happen.
We have a lot of folks who are local, and they come here and they just express such joy in being able to bus here, bike here, walk here. And so having that kind of local access to behavioral health is something this community's never seen.
In October, this behavioral health clinic opened in partnership of funding by MultiCare, state and local government, and you. The 2021 Heartstrings benefit by MultiCare raised the funds to develop this clinic in Hilliard, changing the future of healthcare in the area.
A woman that grew up here that's now a mom said that she wishes she had a service like this as she struggled herself with mental health issues.
I struggled with my mental health in high school a lot, and if I would have had resources when I was younger, that I think it would help me a lot.
Further telling me knowing that her kids and others in the area have access to this service means everything, adding this could set our children on the right track for life.
Helping kind of break down that barrier that has existed for so long with people, and so they really are understanding better that it's not a big scary thing. It's something that can be really helpful, and it's just right next door.
MultiCare said the clinic has seen over 600 patients so far, telling me they work with anyone to eliminate financial barriers. In Northeast Spokane, Hunter Bertram, 4 News Now.